Evening Incense.
This is the brief on the spiritual meaning of the biblical second month. Now, stemming from ancient Israel's journey in Numbers chapter 10, this second month isn't just some random date on the calendar. It's actually a profound, recurring pattern showing how God matures and prepares us right after our initial rescue. First, let's look at Noah's flood, which, believe it or not, both began and ended in the second month. A new stage of growth always requires clearing out the old junk. It's kind of like a demolition crew. They literally have to tear down a rotten old structure before they can pour a solid new foundation. So God clears out our old habits strictly to prepare fresh ground for a beautiful restoration. Second, once that ground is cleared, we've got to build something new. In the second month, Israel first received manna, pointing to Christ as our daily bread. I mean, isn't it wild that the wilderness isn't actually about starving, but about being forced to eat a completely new, supernatural kind of food? This is also exactly when ancient leaders like Solomon and Zerubbabel laid the foundations for God's temples, proving he's building us together into a shared spiritual home, not just saving isolated individuals. Finally, this month highlights the absolute beauty of a second chance. An ancient king named Hezekiah specifically held a Passover in the second month for folks who missed the normal timing. Human imperfection happens, and God accounts for it with built-in grace. It totally shatters strict religious deadlines, proving God's infinite grace always opens a door for a sincere heart wanting to return. Ultimately, God never leaves us empty after deliverance, but instead faithfully prepares, feeds, builds, and guides us forward.